In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on Flyadeal, complete online booking walkthrough for beginners. We'll start right at the source. Open the official Flyadeal website, or if you prefer mobile, download the Flyadeal app from your device's app store. On the home screen, enter your departure city, your destination, your travel dates, and how many passengers are flying. Make sure the details match your plans, then tap or click the search button to see available options. If you're flexible, try nearby dates to compare prices and flight times. Once the results load, take a moment to browse. You'll see different schedules, fare types, and prices. Compare not just the cost, but also the time of day and how long each flight takes. Low fares can be great, but check what's included since baggage and seat selection may be optional. When you find the flight that fits your schedule and budget, select it to move on. Next, you'll enter passenger information. Type in each traveler's full name exactly as it appears on their ID or passport, along with the date of birth and contact details. Accuracy matters here to avoid check-in issues later. If you already have a Flyadeal account, log in to pre-fill your details and keep everything under one profile, which can save time today and on future bookings. Now it's time to customize your booking. Review the flight you chose, then add any extras you want. Common add-ons include extra baggage and seat selection. Choosing a seat now helps you sit together and avoid last-minute changes, while pre-purchasing baggage can be cheaper than paying at the airport. If you're still deciding, you can always add services later through the Manage My Booking section. When you're ready, proceed to payment. Enter your payment information carefully and double-check the final price, including any extras and taxes. Make sure your billing details are correct, then confirm the payment to complete your booking. A stable internet connection helps prevent any interruptions during this step. After successful payment, you'll receive a booking confirmation with all your reservation details and flight information. You'll also get a booking reference number. Save this right away. Take a screenshot, download the confirmation, or store it in your email. You'll use this reference to manage your booking, make changes, add services, or complete online check-in closer to your departure. And that's it. You've searched, selected, entered details, customized, paid, and confirmed. Follow these steps and you'll be ready for a smooth Flyadeal trip. Safe travels and enjoy your flight.